video, please subscribe my channel. If you like it, share to your friends, and if you have any doubts, please don't forget to put it in the comment box. When object is kept beyond the sea, let C completed, isn't it? Beyond the sea will go. So this is the concave mirror. This is the pole. This is C. This is F focus. So beyond the sea, when object is kept beyond the sea, A, B. So when object is kept beyond C, the two rules will follow. One is parallel to principal axis it forms and it passes through the focus, and another one is when it is traveling through the focus, then again through the focus it travels and it passes parallel to the principal axis where the image is formed. The image is formed at between, you can say, F and C. Between F and C, you can see it is diminished image than this. This is bigger than this, isn't it? So diminished image means became small. Diminished is nothing but small. And real image, as the rays are meeting really, where the image is formed between C and F. And AB as usual object, A dash, B dash, image. Yes. Next case we'll go with when object is kept at, rays are traveling from infinity. You don't know where they are. So from the infinity they are traveling. They travel parallel to the principal axis. They travel parallel to the principal axis and they meet at where? At the focus. They meet at focus. Here you need to remember that when the object is at the focus, image formed will be at infinity. When object is at infinity, image will be at where? At focus. And here in the case it is very point image, very small image it is formed. Here it is highly large image. What one? Highly large image is formed. Remember, this is vice versa to this. Okay, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please share to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any doubts, please put it in the comment box. Thank you.